Want to turn your Excel files into Google Forms quickly and easily? In just a few minutes, I'll show you a step-by-step method that makes the process seamless. Start by opening Google Drive, which will be our main workspace. Click on New and select File Upload. Find your Excel file on your computer and upload it. Once uploaded, locate the file in your drive, click on it, and choose to open it as a Google spreadsheet. This ensures full compatibility with Google's tools. Now, save it as a Google Sheet by going to the File tab and selecting Save as Google Sheets. With your spreadsheet ready, return to Google Drive, click New again, and this time choose Google Forms. Open a blank form and give it a title that matches your content. Next, it's time to add questions. Use your spreadsheet as a reference and input the questions one by one. Once complete, click Publish to make your form live. Go to the Responses tab, select More Options, and then select Destination for responses. Link your form to the Google Sheet you just saved, either by selecting an existing sheet or creating a new one. This ensures all your responses are collected neatly in one place. Finally, click View in Sheets to double-check everything. And just like that, your Excel data is fully converted into a functional Google form, ready to collect responses efficiently and manage your data effortlessly. With this simple workflow, converting Excel to Google Forms has never been easier. Try it out and save yourself hours of manual entry.